Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Tiimo widgets basically to your home screen. So if you want to add widgets from the Tiimo app to your home screen so you can easily see your progress, then here's how you can do that. So basically right here you have a list of a lot of different basically widgets they have, and all you need to do in order to use them is just go to your home screen like this. Hold down any basically empty part till it will pop up this where you can delete apps. But what we're going to do is we're going to go to the top left corner of the screen, click on the plus icon, and then what we need to do is type in Tiimo. So we're going to search for Tiimo right here, and then you'll get to this widget page right here. And you can literally just add this widget, for example, by clicking on it, clicking on done, and then right now you have this widget for the Tiimo app. And then right now, if I right now plan a task on the Tiimo app, it will also show it up right here, which is just really cool. So yeah, that's basically all you need to do. If you learned something in this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.